Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. This is me Hanadi and this is my channel. So hopefully you all are doing pretty good and enjoying your video. So I'm going to teach you a very quick hijab tutorial with niqab. So without any further delay, let's start our video. Let's go. To put on your bonnet and of course not the mask. So take any hijab. Now, this is a very quick one and very easy to go. Just bring this around here. Take any pin, and then pin at this side, another pin at this side, and then taking this part, the inside one, okay, just leaving this right like this right here, and then taking this part, then okay, and then take it inside, make sure to secure your hijab from the top side so that it won't slip like so, or you can just leave this part over here or just take it around and tuck it like this, and that's it. It's a very quick hijab and niqab tutorial, and it's really easy to just put it on and you are good to go. So hope you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to hit the notification bell so that you can get my future videos on time. So leaving you with a very positive note. Until next time, take care of yourself. Please do leave a comment and let me know what else you want to watch. Take care. Ma'as salam.